every creative design, we have it come up from the original blueprint that we designer draw it line by line to express the ideas. This is just an example of our snow park, that it came out the whole blueprint master plan in the perspective with all the contents that we want and what we think can achieve the client's investment into the right market to get it very attractive. And these are all the final words come into the final Photoshops that we can produce it electronically, more flexible from the paper before it goes into the building information model.